we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Muscarella also feeds cooked cereal to her birds. Landsberg sometimes gives her birds cooked oatmeal. They love it, she said. I occasionally give them small amounts of various dry cereals like Cheerios, Rice Krispies and Raisin Bran as treats.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.